Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to select your network manually on the iPhone. So in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4. So what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to the mobile service, as you can see right now, and then go to network selection. So, as you can see, now it is switched to automatic, and in the most cases, really the most cases, you want to leave it on, because it is the best to select your network automatically. And there are some cases, if you want to switch to the specific network provider manually and don't want to make the iPhone do it for you to switch it to another network provider. So as you can see, my network provider is a Virgin Mobile, and there are three other options plus Virgin Mobile that is T-Mobile, and Virgin Mobile that is Orange. And for example, if you're on a vacation in another country and your network selection and your provider said that you need to use their provider, like your provider said that you need to choose this provider and not the other, because additional cost is going to be applied, you need to do it manually and make the iPhone not to switch to another provider by itself. So after deselecting the automatic, you just want to click the specific provider that you want to choose. And this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.